Okay, class. Well, we have been having some meetings with about 10 students per class, and we came up with a way in which you guys can work on one window and look at the video in another, which is really helpful for those of you who are having trouble with the computers and with online classes. So, in this video, I'm going to show you, even though you guys have Chromebooks and I have a different type of computer, how to do that, how to have two windows side by side. And on one window, you're working and following the directions that I tell you. If I tell you click on here, and in the other window, you can be looking at our Google Meet window and seeing what I want to show you live. Okay. So the first thing you need to do, your screen maybe would look like mine. You have let's close everything else. Let's say that you log in and you go to Google Meets and your screen looks sort of like mine does now. And I tell you, okay, let's split screen, guys. I want you to on this to look at what I'm doing, but I also want you to do this at the same time. So go to Google Classroom. So let's say that I tell you, okay, go to Google Classroom. So you go to your Google Classroom, and let's say that I tell you go to period 5. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that this is what's going to happen, and this is what was happening to us yesterday. You can either look at the video what I'm showing you, or you look at Google Classroom, but you can't see both things at once. So what we figured out today with the help of Francisco and Olivia and Oscar and different students was step 1, make your window smaller. So make it about half size. Okay. Step 1. Whoops. Step 2. Over here, we have the meeting tab, and over here we have the other tab where I want you to work. You're going to carefully, slowly, not click here on the gray area, but you're going to click on the tab, the one that has the title. You click, drag slowly, and bring it over here. And there you go, you have your two windows. Okay. There is another way. First, we tried it by using the shortcut keyboard on the Chromebook. And that works to see two things at once, but you can't work on two things at once. So if you clicked on here, the other one would disappear. And that's not what we want. We want to be able to work on here. And if I tell you go to classwork, you go to classwork. Or you want to be able to type in here and the other thing doesn't go away, or type on here and this one doesn't go away. And then if you want to put them back, you just drag it over there. So again, this time I'm going to do it a little bit faster. If I tell you to split screen, you're over here. First, make it smaller. You could play with the size. You're like, I want it this size. I want it this size. I say make it about halfway. Drag your other one, put it on the side, and here we go. As a matter of fact, if this is wasted space that you don't really need to see, you can cover it. Okay, you can go like this. Now, the thing is, if you click on here, it's going to cover this. Okay, so maybe you want it right at the halfway line. More things about Google Meet. Now, the other students went away. I could click, I'm going to close it now. Okay. Something else for Google Meet would be, here's a list of people who are in here. Normally we have, you can see everybody's names. When I tell you to pin somebody, so if we just want to look at my computer, or if we just wanted to look at Francisco's computer, you go to their name, and this is the pin. If you click on the pin, then even if somebody else is talking, we always see their screen in the middle. Okay. And then to unpin it, it's like that. If I tell you to present your window to the class, you go to your name, because if somebody else is talking, you might see them over here. We need to see yourself. Then once you do that, oh, I guess I can't show you because, okay, here we go. This little icon has to show up. Okay, so it disappears sometimes, then it comes back. This is to mute yourself. This is to end the call when I tell you, okay, guys, let's go, bye-bye. That's to end the call. Over here would be to turn on or off your camera. And over here is the present now button. Now, that's not the only thing. You present, then you say entire screen, and then you actually have to click on the thing that pops up over here. Okay, if you don't click on it, it's not going to let you share. Let me repeat the steps. In order to present, you go to the bottom until this appears. If it doesn't appear over here, and I can't show you because this is showing up, but over here you click on your name, this little tab pops up. Then you go to present now, choose your entire screen, click on the screen that shows up and click share, and then that's how you share. And then when you want to end it, instead of present now, it's going to say end presentation, I think, or stop presenting. Okay, that's the video for today.